Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen gummy bears with Coke Easy Guide. Start by placing gummy bears into small ice tray wells, then pour chilled cola gently until each well is covered. Tap the tray lightly to remove air bubbles and ensure cola surrounds each candy evenly. Cover the tray loosely with foil and freeze for at least 4 hours or until solid, then pop out treats carefully to serve chilled. Prepare by chilling the cola and sorting gummy bears by color and size for even freezing. Place 2 to 3 gummies in each compartment depending on the tray size and desired bite. Slowly pour chilled cola over the gummies to prevent fizz from overflowing and maintain carbonation retention. Use a gentle tap on the counter to level the liquid and remove trapped bubbles, then move directly to the freezer on a flat surface for best results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tricks. On another note, quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing frozen snacks so much easier, and they work great for transporting gummy bear treats. See the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Freeze the trays on a flat shelf to ensure even formation and avoid slumping or misshapen treats. Leave the gummies undisturbed for at least 4 hours until completely solid to prevent sticky centers. When removing, twist the tray gently or run a brief amount of warm water under the bottom to release each cube without melting. Transfer finished frozen gummy bears to a sealed container to protect flavor and keep them ready for fun snacking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.